In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import data from spreadsheet to Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you have a table in your Google Sheets and you'd like to go ahead and insert it here, it is pretty simple. Just head over to the slide you want to insert the Google Sheet. From here, go ahead and click on Insert and come to this option called Charts. Now under Charts, you can see we have from Sheets. So if you click on Sheets, it will take you to your drive, and from here go ahead and select My Drive here, and then you'll find your sheet there. So if you don't have your Google Sheet in your drive, you'll need first to add your sheet in Drive, and then you'll be able to import it. So once you click on it and then click on Insert, now your Google Sheet data will be imported in Google Slides. So that's how you can import or insert Google Sheets in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.